The Simpsons is simply a cartoon series for kids. Matt Groening's hit animated sitcom has delivered countless storylines over 27 seasons and one movie, and nestled among the anarchic tales of America's premier nuclear family have been some weirdly prescient predictions about the near future. Here's some most chillingly accurate predictions made by The Simpsons. Number 1. President Trump predicted in 2000. Episode S11E17, Bart to the Future. Donald Trump was elected as the next president of the United States, but his ambition was foreseen by this classic Simpsons episode where Bart was shown his future by a Native American. Lisa has become president, and in a scene where she addresses her inner circle, she says, "We've inherited quite the budget crunch from President Trump." Spooky. Number 2. The Higgs boson particle. Predicted in 1998. Episode S10E2, The Wizard of Evergreen Terrace. Simon Singh, the author of a book titled The Simpsons and Their Mathematical Secrets, claims Homer Simpson predicted the mass of the Higgs boson particle 14 years before. It was actually figured out for real by scientists at the Large Hadron Collider. Singh says this equation, written by Homer on a blackboard, is eerily accurate. If you work it out, you get the mass of a Higgs boson. That's only a bit larger than the nanomass of a Higgs boson actually is. Number 3. Reese's economic collapse. Predicted in 2012. Episode S23E10, Politically Inept, with Homer Simpson. 3 years before this year's government debt meltdown in Greece that saw it become the first country to default on an IMF loan repayment. A throwaway gag on this 2012 episode predicted how outlandish the situation would become. A ticker on a rolling news station that Homer appears on reads Europe puts Greece on eBay. We wonder if the Greeks have considered this option during their darkest hours. Number 4. Ebola outbreak. Predicted in 1997. Episode S9E3, Lisa's Sacks. A crackpot viral video that did the rounds in 2014 claims The Simpsons predicted the American Ebola outbreak. The episode saw Marge offering to read Bart a book titled Curious George and the Ebola virus. Number 5. Siegfried and Roy tiger attack. Predicted in 1993. Episode S5E10, Springfield. The stage career of flamboyant German magic duo Siegfried and Roy was brought to a shocking end in 2003 when Roy Horn was mauled by one of their trademark white tigers while performing live on stage in Las Vegas. 10 years earlier, in a Simpsons episode that sees Springfield briefly legalize gambling, a flamboyant Germanic magic duo with a penchant for albino big cats called Gunter and Ernst make an appearance at Mr. Burns' casino. Their performance is cut short when they're mauled by their trademark white tigers. Makes you pause for thought, doesn't it? That's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. For the second part of this video, please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon.